How to get and use Groupon promo code. Let's get started. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get Groupon promo code. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Groupon promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to any of the website. You're gonna find working coupon code and promo code for Groupon. So go ahead and open any of it. Just click on it, you're gonna get the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Groupon. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, log into your account, choose the feature that you want to apply, and then check out. While you're in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of code. Over there, paste the code and confirm it. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers for Groupon. So this way you can easily get and use Groupon promo code. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.